Hello friend, today our topic is defect, error, bug, fault and failure. Let me explain each of these points one by one. The first one is error. An error is a mistake, misconception or misunderstanding on the part of software development and testing team. Next one is defect. So the variance between the actual result and the expected result on the execution of the test cases is called as defect. Next one is bug, a programming error that may impact the working functionality of a software, or if the application is getting crashes on some event, is known as bug. Fault, an incorrect step, process or data definition in a computer program that cause the program to perform an unintended or unanticipated manner is called as fault. Failure, it is an inability of an application to perform the required function within the specified performance requirement, and it reached the end customer is called as failure. So defect or and bug is same things. Defect is generally used by the dev team, uh, defect as a term, and bug is used by a QA team. So the process of generation of the error, bug, fault, failure is programmer makes some mistake in the program. It can be due to the mistake made by them, like a spelling mistake and things, misconception or misunderstanding between the team, like during the knowledge transfer of the application, or some uh, faulty document. Because of this, programmer makes a mistake. These mistake will generate the defect, and sometimes this defect or bug will generate the failure. So failure needs some specific step to get it reproduced. All the failure cannot reproduce with very simple step. It required some specific input values or some specific step to get it reproduced, and is found on the live environment, or we can say it reaches to the end user. These things are called failure. So these are some testing terminology which we generally used in our day-to-day life, and it is also important as per interview is concerned.